Hi, I'm Jimmy. Welcome back to another on-the-road video with ApplianceVideo.com.
Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water.
Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to replace the bottom lip seal on a Frigidaire dishwasher. On this repair, there was no tools needed. First thing we're going to do is just pull it away from the bottom of the door. Okay, we're going to do the other side and just pull it out. I'm going to lift up on the door a little bit to let it release. I'm going to install the lip seal. I'm going to raise up on the door a little bit to give me a little bit room to get it underneath it. Okay, I'm going to push the seal into place, making sure it's all the way through. All right, and that completes the repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.